How to private your Facebook account. Now, let's say you want to private your Facebook account so that no one other than your friends and followers will be able to see the contents that you have. All you have to do in order for you to private your Facebook account is to go to your main menu right here and then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on Settings right here. After that, you just have to scroll down until you find Audience and Visibility. Under that, you will be able to see Profile Locking, so you just have to tap on Lock Your Profile right here in order for you to lock your profile so that only your friends will be able to see the contents that you have right there. After you have locked your profile, all you have to do is to go back to your settings again and locate your privacy settings. So you just have to tap on Privacy Checkup right here. And after you're on your Privacy Checkup, all you have to do is to make sure that your friends in every aspect of privacy that you have are the only audience that you have on your account. So that's how to private your Facebook account. Hope we help.